Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by securing access. Sign into the exact account and device that held the recording. Once signed in, open the app's recording library and immediately check the trash, recently deleted, or archive folders, since many systems retain files for a limited time. If the file isn't visible, make sure you have any required permissions or developer toggles enabled. This often exposes hidden system folders. Doing this now saves time and prevents permanent overwrite by ongoing recordings or sync processes. Once you've checked visible folders, expand to deeper methods. Use the app's search filters for date ranges, file types like MP4 or M4A, and approximate file sizes to narrow candidates. Next, inspect local storage paths and temporary caches. Many mobile or desktop apps keep fragments in temp directories. If needed, run a reputable undelete utility or the cloud provider's recovery tool. These can reconstruct recently deleted items. Make sure to stop writing new files to the drive to maximize recovery odds. Recover the file to a different drive or folder to avoid overwriting remaining data, and then verify playback immediately. Check audio/video, timestamps, and metadata for completeness. If the recovered file is fragmented, try a repair tool that rebuilds headers and syncs tracks. This often restores usability. If nothing works, consider professional data recovery services that can image the disk and extract residual data. One troubleshooting tip: if repeated attempts fail, stop using the device and seek experts to prevent permanent data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.